Hi, this is Jeff at Big Hairy Dog. This is a little video on a email plugin for version 9 Retail Pro. So let's take a look and see what we got going here. To start off with, this is a new transaction. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a customer. And we're going to throw an item on there. Go to the tender screen. This is an unrelated plugin that has to do with rounding. Very handy, by the way, for donations. But let's just go ahead and tender it out. And then let's click print update like we normally would to finish a transaction. And this little interface pops up and asks us to email this receipt to that customer right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that. I'm going to divert that to an email that we have set up here for demo purposes so we can see what's going on. And we'll click OK and let it generate the email. And now it's asking if we want to update the email to the customer's database. We're going to say no right now, but that's a very handy feature as well. If the customer's email has changed, it pops up, you confirm it. They say, no, that's not my email now. We switch it out, and it goes ahead and updates the database. Anyway, so that's what it's designed to do at point of sale. Now let's take a look real quick. Here's my email to myself. We'll click on it, and there's the attached receipt. This is a receipt design. So this is an 8.5 by 11, but certainly it could be a regular 40 column receipt. It could look any way we want since it's using a Retail Pro receipt design. So we have the doc designer at our disposal, and we can make it look any way we want to. All right, so that's the basics of it right there. And I'm going to cancel this transaction. And I want to also sort of illustrate that we can email just with the email receipt button. We could just email or re-email any receipt we wanted to. So nice. Cancel. Okay, let's go back to list view here. Having a little bit of a mouse challenged moment here. But if we wanted to, in the list here, if we had one that we wanted to re-email, you see we could just highlight it and we could click email receipt here at the top, or we could go to form view. Anyway, let's back up to the main menu and let's take a look at the other aspect of this plugin, and that would be purchase orders. So another often needed piece is to be able to email a PO. So here we have a PO, and I can click email PO and I can put the address in that I want. And I can also change the design file here. So if you have some vendors that get one design and other vendors that get another design, very, very handy to be able to just say, email the PO to this vendor using this design, go, right? That's basically the deal. And if we go back to our email, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, we got another email, and here's a PO. And right, so that PO could look again any way we want to. Again, using the doc designer in Retail Pro, we can make that look literally any way we want to do it. The plugin itself is very simple. It gets installed, and there's a little bit of configuration that we do in the workstation preferences, and there is an entire email configuration set up for it. But it's pretty simple to install, pretty simple to set up, and really simple to use. All right, thanks again. This has been Jeff at Big Hairy Dog. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks, bye.